Hello. Today we will practice a 3-minute basic breathing meditation together. Please find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Now, gently close your eyes and focus only on the sound of your breath. Slowly breathe in through your nose and breathe out. You don't have to force a deep breath, just breathe naturally. Feel the inhalation and feel the exhalation. As you do, you will feel your mind gradually settling down. At first, wandering thoughts or distractions may arise. This is completely natural. Don't try to get rid of your thoughts. Simply bring your focus back to your breath. As you keep breathing, your mind will gently clear. Starting out can be difficult for anyone. Just keep your eyes closed and continue to breathe. Feel the inhalation and feel the exhalation. As you keep breathing, you will find inner peace. Stay completely in this present moment. Gently open your eyes as you feel the sensations in your body. It's okay even if your mind was full of thoughts. This short pause in your day is more than enough.